Hello, hi, my name is Sajid and you're watching my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I will discuss Java file handling. So, ladies and gents, file handling is an important part of any application, and Java has several methods for creating, reading, updating, and deleting files, right? So Java file handling, what does it mean? There is a class called file from the java.io package which allows us to work with files. To use the file class, create an object of class and specify the file name or directory name. Okay, so here is the syntax. Import java.io.file, and then file my object is equal to new file filename.txt, specify the file name. So this will create an object of file which is actually dealing with the file with this file name. Okay, the file class has many useful methods for creating and getting information about files. For example, okay, or can read, this is type boolean, test whether the file is readable or not. Can write, these are test methods. We are performing a test whether certain action like read and write can be done on that particular file or not. Create new file, creates an empty file. Delete a file, exists. We are checking if certain file with a certain name does exist or not. Get name, it will give you the name of the file. Get absolute path, returns the absolute path name of the file. Length, returns the size of the file in bytes. List, it returns an array of the files in the directory. Okay, and this will be string array. And make directory boolean, creates a directory. Okay, so these are very important methods in file class which you can use for file handling. And in our upcoming short videos, we will be using some of these methods to like elaborate how they work. So by that time you need to wait. Okay, so today I had this video is a short one, and I would like to wrap it up here, and I'll be back with the next video. So we will go into details of file handling more. So by that time, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and vote, like. So I would say goodbye. I was your Sajid. I was your friend Sajid. So I'll be back again soon. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe. Second time saying, yeah. Okay, bye bye.